Hello friends, welcome to our channel Inhouse ERP. I hope you all doing good. This is our video number 11 in MS Excel. Today we are going to discuss very important function in Excel, that is how to search and color duplicate values in a column of MS Excel that is filled with data. So let's come to see. So first we create a data in Excel, serial number, amount, then we enter serial number 1 2 3 4 5 6 and then enter number. All numbers are unique in first time. So I will let you know how to find duplicate number in this database or D column. So first click on conditional formatting, highlights and duplicate value. Now you see duplicate and choose the color that you want, yellow, green or red. I choose yellow and OK. Now you see there is no duplicate value or repeated value, so I make one 45. Now you see 45 comes 2 times and 65 comes 2 times. So this function make these value yellow, duplicate value. Now I want another color, green. Okay, now you see green color show these duplicate values in column. Now I want to see unique value with color yellow or whatever you want. You see yellow color show the unique values in this data. So friends, this is very important function in office or day-to-day routine work. So friends, thanks for watching. I hope this video will useful for you all, and if any query, kindly comment in the comment box, and if any video you want, kindly let me know through email or through comment box. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share, subscribe. Thank you.